Hey friends, let's do Midnight Blue guitar lesson by Lou Gramm. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along. So let me play the start, then we'll break it down. So we're starting on this C chord, but we're just playing the 5 on the D, G and B. Then just add the 6 on the B, still 5, D and G. And do that again. Then we're going to this F chord, but we're just going to play 6 on the B, 5 on the G, and then add the 3 in, so we have 3, 5 and 6, 3 on the D. So then come back to 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B. Then we're coming up here, we're going to be playing 6 on the B, 3 on the G. Just a little stab there, and then add the 3 in on the D. So 3D, 3G, 6B. And then we're going back to 5 on the D, 4G, 3B. Just add the 5th fret on the B string, and back to 5, 4 and 3. So slowly. And that's the intro there. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. And it does that through 5 times there. Now it's exactly the same as our first riff. We have the 5, 5 and 5 to 5, 5 and 6. Now the only changes is here we do a 5 on the B and the G, and then finish the rest the same. 5, 5, 5 and 5, 5, 6, and then the rest stays the same. So let's do that slowly. Here's the change. The rest stays the same. And do that through 5 times there, and that's our verses. Then we have the chorus. We have 2 guitars here. Let me play guitar 1 for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page to help keep the channel going, and the link's in the description, and that'd help me out a lot. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting on the C chord, but we're just playing 5th fret D, G and B. A C sus4, so we're just adding the 6th fret on the B string. Back to C. C sus2, so we have 5, 5 and 3 on the B. Back to C sus4, C, C sus2. Then we're coming back to F, still playing the D, G and B 2 times. Up to the G, so just move up 2 frets. Back to the F 2 times, and then finish it the same as we finished the intro on the verses. So the G, adding the 5th fret, back to the G. Then repeat that all again. C, C sus4, C, C sus2, C sus4, C, C sus2, F 2 times, moving up to G. So then to finish it off, it finishes a little bit different. We play the F once. Then go to this F6, so we're just adding our little finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, play it 2 times, still the D and the G string. Then just move up 2 frets and we're doing a G6 once there. So we're just keeping that shape, moving up 2 frets, and that's our chorus. Then we have our second guitar. Let's have a look at that. So we've got a bit of gain on this one. It's pretty easy. We're just playing the C power chord, hold for 2 bars. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go F power chord to G power chord. Do that again, F, G, and then repeat again, C, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and F and G. There, and that's the second guitar for our chorus. From there we just go back to the verse again. This time we do it through 4 times. We do the chorus exactly the same, so our second guitar is the same. The only difference is after our G7, we just go back to the C and hold there. And there's also a third guitar, so let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So we're just doing these artificial harmonics. We're playing the first fret on the E string, and then we hit the harmonic. So I'm picking the string with my pick and hitting the harmonic on the 13th fret there. Then do the open and the harmonic on the 12th fret. Then do the first fret on the B and the harmonic on the 13th fret there. And then just an open G and the harmonic on the 12th fret. And we do that through 2 times and repeat that 2 times. So we end up doing it 4 times through there, and that's guitar 3. Then we have our bridge. Let me play that for you. So it's pretty similar to our chorus. We're just playing the C 2 times, D, G and B string, the C sus4, back to C, C sus2, back to our C sus4, and finish on the C there, and we just do that through 2 times. And that's our bridge. Then we have our last chorus, which we're repeating to the end, so let me do that for you. And it just keeps repeating that through to the end, and guitar 2 and guitar 3 are exactly the same as our choruses there. So we have C 2 times, just the D, G and B again. Our C sus4, C, C sus2, C sus4, C, C sus2. This time go back to the F, play it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and just come up to G and play that once. 3, 4 and hold for a bar there, and just keep repeating that to the end. And they're all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Midnight Blue Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.